Hello guys, she just woke up, so don't mind
That was on my channel.
morning here. But I'm going to show you my gun collection and my Nerf gun collection because I have not posted in a long time. So I'm going to start off with this. And later on today, me and my brother, we will show you our Tech Deck collection. So here's one, my toy Glock 26 that I made an extender mag with one of these. You can get it at Walmart or the dollar store, I don't know. But yeah, I just put the grip because it doesn't have, my brother gave it to me because I traded him some guns. So, and this does not have a clip, so, and he lost his clip, so I just made an extender mag. Alright, now on to my Taurus or Beretta, and it has a silencer. But it used to work, but now it doesn't. But it makes it look cool. Cocks back and it actually, like when you shoot it, it's actually like kind of blowback. And now for my Nerf guns. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna help my brother real quick. Hold on. Sorry, there's dust. Alright, I'm back, guys. So let's start with the Nerf guns, shall we? I'm gonna start with littlest to biggest. So here's my littlest. I got it for Easter. Really powerful, but holds 4 rounds. Here's my electric one that I earned for I think completing all my math. Oh wait, I didn't even go from smallest to biggest, but this is my second smallest. You can find it at Target, and it has slam fire. Just holding the trigger. Hold on, guys. Anyways, morning here. She looks normal when she is actually up. But okay, now on to my last gun, my most powerful gun, Rival Series. Takedown. And if you do not know, actually, when it says XX dash something 100, if you take away those 2 zeros, it'll tell you the number of rounds. This holds 8 and it says 800. So, and it has a safety. And if you didn't know this, for a fun fact, if you press the reset button and pump it back, you can and pump it over, take off the safety, you can shoot 2 at once, and it's actually really good. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.